Emma got us surf lessons today before we left for our trip. So we're gonna go
Today's the day.
take on the waves. Have you ever been surfing?
Once.
I think the last time I was surfing I knew 10. So this will definitely be interesting. Santa Teresa is supposed to have some of the best surfing. So there's a lot of really good surfers out there and some pretty big waves. So hopefully we've got a good instructor and we'll find some small waves away from everybody. But we're really excited. Eric is inside making some oatmeal right now, per usual.
I just had a coconut.
We're gonna attempt to bring the GoPro. Got some different GoPro equipment. Don't know what's gonna work with surfing or the surfboard. So hopefully we don't lose it, and we'll see how it goes. Making the oats. You excited?
Yeah, ready to conquer these waves.
Before you know it, you're gonna be a pro surfer.
Yeah, point break, baby.
When's the last time you went surfing?
11 years old.
The town of Santa Teresa. We will drive through here to get to Playa Hermosa, which is where a lot of the locals go. It's a little bit less touristy and a great beginner beach for beginner surfers. It's also very beautiful, hence the name Playa Hermosa. Here's Richard, best surf instructor in Costa Rica.
Nice. So sweet.
I'm ready to go back in the water.
Sure.
Before we get in the water, we'll do some stretches and warm-ups. I didn't have any footage from our day, so I just took some footage from another group lesson on the beach. And it will look very similar to this. If you're a beginner surfer, you'll want to use a bigger board like the ones you see here, a long board or a soft top board. You'll always want to check out the water before you go in, see the size of the waves, the break, the current, and what the other surfers are doing. Also, before you go in, you'll want to master the prone position or lying on your board on your belly. Practice this on the sand first. Simulate paddling as if you were in the water. Now, practice your pop-up. This should be a swift, all-in-one motion. Push up on your board with your hands. At the same time, bring your front foot forward between your two hands and place it flat in the center of the board. Your strongest foot will be towards the back or the tail. With your front foot forward, twist your hips slightly to the side in a crouch standing position. Remember to keep facing forward and your knees bent, as you'll find it helps for you to balance. But most importantly, have fun. How do you feel? Was it fun?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
You're gonna go back?
Gotta go back.
And now we'll go to the local soda for some well-deserved lunch. This is your typical casado, costs about $5. And then we will head to Banana Beach, which is a really cool hip bar and restaurant on the beach with swings and hammocks, and we will order some drinks, relax, and watch the sunset.
Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together.
If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up below, and if you want to see more of our journey and from our channel, please subscribe below.
But the feeling is all gone.